when people talk about training a large language models and in this context of product development, right, you need data to train the model. And if you want your data to be used to do that, well, the question is, how good is your data? Do you even have a handle on it, right? This is one of the topics we talk about a lot with our customers about, what are you trying to do to build out your digital thread? Do you even have a handle on your data to start with? But I see this connection, and this is one of the things I wanted to chew on this possible trend is if you start putting your product data into a graph model, is that going to make it much easier for AI in the future to interpret your data set? Because so many relationships are, already connected. They exist, like you said, as first-class citizens. So, is that part of the trend potentially that if you're using graph to represent your data, it makes it easier for graph technologies to leverage it and use it in AI? Is that something you see, Oleg, or am I, kind of walking down the wrong path there?
I think you are absolutely on the right path, and here is why. So the graphs are self-describing. So you use the same model to describe the data and also put the data itself. So it's a model that is giving you semantics embedded in the model itself.